Okay. All right, and I'm rolling.
Initially when I came to college, I thought that research was this thing that happened back in a lab somewhere, no windows, very much a STEM thing, and so being able to reconceptualize research as something that everybody does all the time and it's a skill that anybody can do has been, yeah, it's been transformative.
Research is also for things that you're looking to introduce yourself to.
Research reflects our human curiosity and our desire to further our knowledge and also leave something behind.
There's just so many ways to approach research, be it through conversations, online data analysis, focus groups, museum visits. There's just so much out there, and so I think my definition of research is definitely always changing and growing.
Do you usually carry an umbrella or just a raincoat?
Raincoat.
Do you have a reason why?
Because I'm from Oregon.
One Direction or BTS?
One Direction. One Direction. Do I have to explain that answer?
Lenora Carrington or Frida Kahlo?
Frida Kahlo, I have a tattoo of her. A lot of connection.
Can we see your tattoo?
No. Okay, it's okay, yeah.
Sorry. These are hard.